Hi guys, welcome back to the Tutor's Tutor. This is part 6 in the series of finding your own private clients using Shu. So if you landed on the video, be sure to watch the entire series so you understand how the application works and you have a better chance at getting clients faster. Today we're talking analytics. Well, you might be wondering, why is this actually important? Analytics is like the salt to your meal, guys. It really makes or breaks that meal. You could have everything going for you, but if you do not understand how to read your analytics, then you won't be going far anytime soon. So let's get right on into it. Now, why are analytics important? By being able to look and read your analytics, you are able to have an idea of the content your audience likes to see on your feed and the content that they don't like to see. You want to know how successful a post is so that you can continue in the style or stop. Remember, we are working smart and not hard here. So, your analytics are going to tell you things like the success of your post, your engagement rate, the demographics, where people are from, and are the people that you're targeting actually seeing your post or not, right? It's really going to give you pure direction so that when you make your post or you plan your content, you know exactly what you're doing and you're not just fumbling about and finding random videos to put out there. Be intentional, be plan goal orientated, plan your stuff out well. So let's go and actually look at how you find this on Shu. So as you can see here on the first one, we have my feed area, right? And I've got my videos out. So I'm going to select the first video for no particular reason. I'm just selecting that one. And remember on Shu, after you post a couple of videos, you also get like rewarded by the application for using the application. And that is when you're able to set a video to the top, almost like pin it. Same on TikTok, you're able to pin a video, and I think on Instagram, yes, so that people when they come to your profile, they show you showing them what you want them to see first, right? I always change this up quite often. Sometimes I put my introduction video there, sometimes I put content that is new out there. It just depends on me. So once you found the video that you want to analyze, you're going to click on the video. When you click on the video, you're going to see the three little bot icons, buttons, but dots, let's go with dots on the top there. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to data analysis, and then you're going to click on that too. Then you're going to see what I see over here. Now you can take a screenshot of this so you can actually remember what the Chinese characters are saying, because the content is going to show in Chinese and not in English. How did I get mine to English? I took a screenshot of this. I went to WeChat. In WeChat, I have a group that only has me inside, and that's where I send everything that's Chinese and I translate the image to text, and that is how I got this. Right, so let's have a look at this. The first one shows where my followers are coming from. Is it from the home page? Is it from my personal page? Or other sources? It actually gives you a breakdown of where they're coming from, so I know how to source. I know where to go to. I know who I'm targeting. The second one shows the gender. As we said the last time, that majority of the people on Shu are predominantly women. So this can actually, you can play around with this. You can ask yourself, maybe you want to make neutral content, which is user friendly for both male and female. Or if you want to gear down more on females, or if you want to go harder on males, it's really up to you. But this is giving you direction as to what to post on the application. So you're not just posting random information. So as you can see here, I have 78% being women, so I'm definitely going to be targeting women more. Why? Because it's already giving me such a high percentage of women who are following my posts. The next one is the area. Now, remember I said use hashtags so that you can target certain areas. Well, let's see. It shows that Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen are the most popular places where I'm getting my traffic from. So I'm going to target those three areas for my next post. I'm not going to worry about the other areas. I'm just going to target those three areas. Or I'll make individual posts where I'm actually targeting the areas individually and not a whole lot of different places using my hashtags. The next one, the writing is quite small at the bottom. So it says education, entertainment, film and television, knowledge, food, life, fashion, mother, and baby. Okay, so those are the titles that we have at the bottom there. And as you can see, majority of my traffic or audience interest is on education. So I have to keep on giving educational videos on Shanghoshu. I can give some entertainment and I can give a bit of the others, but the people that are coming to my feed mostly like the educational content that I'm putting out. And that is exactly how you read your analytics. It's not something complicated. Just have an idea and you know where you're projecting, you know what you're planning, you know what you're doing. Now that I have all my analytics of my videos and I go through every one of my videos so I know which ones are working and which ones are not working, I can write out a plan that will help me add more value and serve the algorithm that which it has shown to me. So it's literally gone out and done work for me. And it's come back and given me the information I need. Now I need to take that information and I need to use that information correctly so that I can get better results. So, this is definitely a way to make your content more interesting for people and so that it adds more value to the application. Remember, you want to add value wherever you go and with whatever you're doing, and that's outside the scope of teaching as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I did say it's going to be a short video by request. A lot of people have been messaging me and asking me to make a video on how to get clients to pay, and that is going to be the next video. So how to actually how to convert your client from Shanghoshu to take them to WeChat and actually make them paying clients, so you are teaching them in the classroom. So do stay tuned for that. If you have not turned on the bell, please do so now so you are notified when I upload that video and you're not left behind. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.